Welcome to ComeOnIndia.com website. Welcome to Prelims Current Affairs quiz. Today's date is 21st July 2015. Let's discuss the today's current affairs quiz. The first question is, consider the following statements with reference to Trichy system. Trichy system. So before answering the question, you should be able to recollect the facts about the Trichy system which came in the news recently. The system is installed in the New Delhi Indira Gandhi Airport. So in this background, just read the statements. Trichy system is mandatory. Look at the word mandatory to install Trichy system in all international airports. So the two words you should mark: mandatory, the word, and all international airports. The statement is correct. According to the World Meteorological Organization, and World Meteorological Organization is also called as WMO, and second organization is ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, made it mandatory for all the international airports to have the visibility measurement system. Trichy is nothing but a visibility measurement system which is placed in all the international airports in India, in most of the international airports. Second statement is, India imports Trichy technology from USA to install in our major international airports. This statement is wrong because India is self-sufficient in manufacturing the Trichy system. So we need not to import from any country. So we are producing indigenously. Trichy system in India is manufactured by CSIR led laboratory called as National Aerospace Laboratory. National Aerospace Laboratory. So which of the following statements is or not correct? Not correct is equal to wrong answer. So the statement A is correct and statement B is wrong. So the answer is 2. The second question is, which of the following fuel combination is used in the cryogenic stage? Cryogenic stage developed by ISRO. While reading the question and answer, underline the important keywords in the question as well as the statements so that you won't make any mistakes while attending the prelims test. The choices given are solid hydrogen, solid oxygen and combinations. The fourth choice is liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The answer is liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. So the choice 4 is correct. How? As you know, GSLV Mark III has 3 stages. One is solid, second is liquid, and third is cryogenic stage. In the third stage, as you know, liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen is used as a fuel. Liquid hydrogen at the temperature of 253 minus 253 degrees Celsius and liquid oxygen at the minus 193 degrees Celsius. The fuel is extremely low temperature. Because of the low temperature, the liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen is produced and used as a fuel in the cryogenic stage. So choice is 4. Third is, ISRO Propulsion Laboratory is located in which of the following place? It is a straight fact-based question useful for all exams in India. The choices are Wheeler Island, Mahendragiri, Bangalore, Mysore, The answer is Mahendragiri, which is a place located in Tamil Nadu. What are the various contributions of ISRO Propulsion Laboratory to the development of the space science? ISRO propulsion system that is located in the Mahendragiri, the state of Tamil Nadu, involved in the testing, assembling and integrating the propulsion systems and all the stages, whether solid, liquid or cryogenic, etc. So it tests the liquid stages, solid stages and cryogenic stage, and assembles the stages and integrates the various propulsion system. The ISRO's propulsion system can be compared with the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Jet Propulsion Laboratory. As you know, Jet Propulsion Laboratory is located in USA. It is a premier institute responsible for US massive success in the space science technology. Next, we will see the fourth question. Consider the following statements with reference to International Atomic Energy Agency. International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA. The three statements are given. The first one is IAEA is a part of United Nations office. This is wrong because International Atomic Energy is an independent autonomous organization established by its own statute. But it reports to the United Nations General Assembly and United Nations Security Council. But it is not a part of United Nations. Remember this point. And statement B is that IAEA is located in the Vienna, Austria. The statement is correct. It is a fact one. The Vienna is the headquarters for IAEA. And the third statement is the organization received Nobel Prize in 2005. The statement is correct. So which of the above statements are correct? So A won't come anywhere. So the choice is second. Next, we will see the last question of today's current affairs quiz. Which of the following state in India is become the first one to launch the childbirth defect surveillance? Childbirth defect surveillance is a straight fact-based one. The answer is Haryana. Haryana became the first state in India to launch the child birth defect surveillance. How? The Haryana state launched the birth defect surveillance in collaboration with the World Health Organization and another institute called Center for Disease Control. It will link all the district hospitals under the surveillance activities. What about some important facts about the child birth defects in India? There are 1.7 million children. That means 17 lakh children born in India with the congenital birth defect. Congenital birth defect. It accounts for almost 6% of all the children born in India. Almost 7,700 children die every year due to congenital birth defect. The important congenital birth defects are congenital heart disease, neural tube defect, G6PD, that is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, and Down syndrome. Remember the names of important congenital birth defects so that you can mark in the exam well. Thank you for watching the current affairs quiz of July 21st.